Ichie, I don't want any problem. I don't want any problem. Kweba, Biko.
Azoka.
Kweba,
I will not allow you to cut this tree.
Why? Is it your tree? Is your father my father? Is my father your father? Is it your inheritance?
Azoka.
Kegi?
Your father borrowed money from me. Okay. So you must pay me my money before you cut it.
And the 3,000 you bought, my father borrowed from you now has become 3 million.
3 million naira. That is what you will give me.
Kweba.
Iche.
Kweba.
See, Azoka, who doesn't know you are a troublesome person? Nobody here is not afraid of you.
Yo, Gona, do you think I'm a small boy? I will show you that I'm not a small boy today. And I will deal with you.
Nkobiago, leave my shirt. If you try this nonsense with it again, I will beat you.
What can you do? In fact, what can you do? Do it now. Do it now. Do you think I'm afraid of you? It's like you don't know me, oh. You don't know me, oh, eh? You don't know me. God asks of me in this village. God asks of Obiago. Nobody that doesn't know that name. And that is me.
Who doesn't know you? Who doesn't know you are troublesome? If I beat you, you can call your troublesome mother.
What did you say? You call my mother troublesome.
Let's go, Guna. Leave this small boy.
Only a stranger that I knew in this village will know that you and your mother are not troublesome people. Like mother, like son.
You called my mother troublesome. I can see your digging your grave. You don't touch the tail of the lion. Faster.
Leave my friend alone. Leave my friend alone.
Leave me alone. No. Leave me alone. No.
Leave my friend alone.
Leave me alone. No. If I don't.
Leave my friend alone.
Stay out of this one. Stay out of this.
Leave my friend alone.
Leave me alone.
Leave my friend alone.
What is it? What's going on? I want to cut it down. What's happening here?
Azoka wants to cut this tree. And I am asking her to pay me my 3 million naira.
Why?
Azoka, don't try to. You will not cut this tree.
Yeah. Is it your tree? Is your father my father?
This is our tree.
Is my father your father?
Azoka, stop it.
Is this your inheritance?
Stop it,
Kegi?
Stop it,
Okay, one.
Azoka, stop.
This is not the end of this fight. We will fight for 7 days anywhere I see her. We will continue this fight from where we stop from today. Anywhere I see her. And if I enter her, this girl never see something, no. This girl never see something, no. This girl.
Obiago, why are you like this? Don't tell me you're fighting again.
Irina, is it not that good for nothing over pumped Ogona? She will sing. Auntie, just wait now. You hear as usual. I will enter her.
Obiago, have we not warned you to stop fighting? Come.
Madam, you go add 15 naira.
For what? For what now? In fact, I'm not entering this Okada again. Carry this your spoiled Okada and go.
Come on, will you go inside here? Are you the one paying? Come on, climb, sir. Get it.
But
if you come from here again, I'll deal with you.
Auntie,
Take.
make sure
Shut
my
up,
head
let's go.
is scatter. My head is scatter.
Step back.
This is
Let's
my
go.
friend, though. This is my friend.
how are you?
I'm fine, ma.
How?
Chief, welcome, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
How about Dikeh you get me?
He went out.
You're good, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you cleaned the house very well?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you make sure the plumber fixed the taps properly?
Everything is working well.
So everything is working perfectly? Yes, ma'am. What about the kitchen sink?
It's okay too.
All right.
Hey! Hi! Oh! Hi!
Papa, you people are the one allowing Azoka to be misbehaving. You see the way Azoka is misbehaving? You people allow her to misbehave. Yes! You see Azoka? Hey, I will deal with her. Azoka will see another side of me. If she is stubborn, she should know that her stubbornness is in primary school. My own is the lecturer in the university. She will see.
Wait. No, so you mean Azoka carried that machine to cut me into pieces? Hey! That girl has no fear at all for anybody in this community. Hey!
Because you people are the one letting her get away with all her rubbish. You are the ones allowing her to get away with her rubbish. Eh? And she thinks that she is too much. The common Azoka.
Can imagine.
Who is Azoka?
Smaller Azoka.
Eh? Papa, who is Azoka?
Papa, I think it's better you people report her to the elders, so. Because if not, this thing will continue. Azoka is very strong.
Eh?
Yes.
Report who to the others? Report Azoka
yes,
to the others. When I'm here. Papa, you people should go and see. You see Azoka? Azoka is a small girl to compare to me. What I'm going to do to Azoka in this village? Eh? Yes, we hear it and shut down. But I'm going to deal with Azoka. There's no point calling elders for Azoka. I will deal with that. Go, everybody should go and sleep. Leave Azoka's case to me.
I think Ujunwa here has a point. I will think about it thoroughly. But my fear is this girl Azoka, she has no atom of fear for anybody in this community.
But Papa is not in this case. You see this case now? Azoka, yes! She has tampered with the lion. This period, I'm going to deal with Azoka. Eh? I'm going to deal with Azoka. She wanted to use Doma. Azoka to use Doma to cut my father. Hey, Azoka. Watch him.
Hey,
watch him.
Papa, we better you could do something fast.
No problem.
What Azoka?
So, Azoka wanted to cut me into pieces. Or cut into pieces. That girl of yesterday. Hey! Chimo.
Mama, good afternoon.
You're coming back from school at this time. This is evening. School closed since 1 p.m. This is 3 p.m. Do you want to kill me or BP?
BP.
Mama, he has been fighting as usual. Don't you see how he's looking?
Mama, is it not good now that first look for my trouble?
And you fought. You fought?
Yes, nah. I beat her mercilessly.
Yeah. Irene, let's go inside.
Thank you, Mama. Mama, what about Azoka? She must be at the workshop.
Where else will she be other than her in her shop? Let's go. Okay. Let's go inside. Come on, sir. Mama, what did you call him again? 1 week, 1 trouble.
I have cut down the tree. I have cut down the tree. Mazu Bochi and that is useless son also can go and kill themselves. I've cut it down. Anything that wants to happen should happen. collect my inheritance from me. You think I'm afraid? I've cut down the tree. That thing that you want to do now that I've cut down the tree, go and do it. Go and do it. If the tree grows again, I'll cut it down. Ne.
Mama.
This drink is very nice. Very smooth in my throat. If I go say about that.
No wonder. This is what they have been enjoying in the city. That makes Auntie Linda's skin to be fresh and smooth. I said it.
I believe you. My skin is changing already. No, my skin is glowing already.
Mama, I like it.
Hey, Mama. You're already drinking without waiting for Papa.
I'm sorry, I couldn't wait any longer. You know your mother. You know I like enjoyment. Besides, your father doesn't like this type of drink.
Mama. Meanwhile, Mama, what are you feeding Isioma with? She's getting too fat though.
That's by the way. Please, how much did you buy this drink? Because I want to buy it. Money make sense.
I bought it 850 naira.
It's again. 850 naira. For this drink? No now. No now.
Mama Biko.
Why?
What is 850 naira?
It doesn't worth it. Hey, I know 1 month. Let me say again. 850 naira. That is enough to cook a pot of stew. Kid, we go get it. Oh, Linda.
Mama, not to worry. It's my money. I am not complaining.
Mama, good evening.
How are you, my dear?
Fine, thank you.
Isioma. Linda, you're back.
Hey. No.
Mama, Chifa Kibilo is back. I'm just coming back from his house now. He came back with his wife. I believe he's back to stay for good.
Mama, Chief is back.
This is good news.
I am going there right away. Chief is back. Chief is back.
Yes.
Azuka, your late father borrowed money from me. And we both agreed that if he is unable to pay, I will not have total possession of the Iroko tree. That is what I am telling you here. I am in possession of that tree. Don't go near that Iroko tree again. Don't. Ekucham.
My father, my late father, told me that he borrowed 3,000 naira from you. But my late father did not tell me that you will inherit his Iroko tree because of the 3,000 he borrowed from you. He never told me that. So show me an agreement, a written agreement that you both agreed. Hey, Ichiobachi, take this Iroko tree. Take this Iroko tree if I don't pay back. Show me an agreement.
I don't even need your money. It is just the Iroko tree that is mine. I am the rightful owner now.
Of my father's Iroko tree?
Yes, because he was unable to pay the money.
So you will inherit my father's Iroko tree for 3,000 naira that he borrowed you because the Iroko tree is your father's own.
Ubochi, I have told you before. This woman has a very foul mouth.
Girl.
Oh, girl. Ubochi, this girl woman has a very foul mouth. I've told you. Look, if you will listen to my advice, let her pay your money.
Oh no. I don't even need the money. It is the Iroko tree that I need. But you come.
Ichi, this is the money my father borrowed from your hand. Please, do not go near my father's Iroko tree. Do not go near my Iroko tree. Biko.
Azuka, just wait. Let me tell you. The 3,000 naira he borrowed 9 years ago is now 3 million naira.
Oh.
3 million naira.
The Iroko tree has become a forest of Irokos.
Yes.
Okay.
Didn't the tree grow?
Ja? Yes.
Didn't the tree grow?
Azuka, You had better just be careful of yourself. Be careful, because you have to give him the money that you're supposed to give him, or else you let the country become its own. What kind of girl are you?
Uncle, you know I don't want to say anything. Because if I talk now, they will say Azuka does not know how to talk. Azuka is insulting elders. I do not know why you are angry. I am not the reason why there is no hair on your head.
This girl is insulting me, oh!
The 3,000 naira my father borrowed. Please, do not go near my Iroko tree. Please.
She's insulting me!
But I told you people...
Listen. Mazubochi, you are the one killing yourself. Just go there. Take it. What are you saying for? This girl you're seeing here, she's a troublesome girl.
You have all spoken well. Iche Ubochi, I want you to remember that late Ikena was your bosom friend.
Yes.
Please, for old time's sake, I want you to allow her have the truth.
Hi.
You know it is from this carpentry works she is using to sustain the family.
Yes.
Please, be going.
I am. Hey, you are using your mouth to say this. It's true. Hey, I am. If not that I know you, and I know your father, what I would have done to you today, I will never allow her to take that tree. Do you know what you are saying?
Honey, your phone is ringing.
Allow it to ring. Let it ring. I'm interested.
Why didn't you pick up your call? Tell me.
Hello. Chief Akubiro on the line.
What is it?
The same voice, but this time it's using a different number.
This is not funny anymore. I think we should involve the police. I am no longer comfortable with these threatening calls.
Be calm, woman. I've told you everything is under control. I guess it's one of those boys out there. The one our president called lazy youths, trying to extract money from me.
I'm ready for war now. I am ready for war. Let me see how you people come and collect my workshop from me. Everybody's eye is on my inheritance. Evil people supporting bad on my inheritance. They want to collect my workshop. I'm here. That trouble that you people are looking for, I'm ready for that trouble. Come and take my workshop. No, come and collect my inheritance. Nonsense.
Azuka, well done. This one your face is like this. Are you preparing for war?
What's the business with my face? What's the business with my face? Talk what you have come here and don't disturb me.
I'm here for business. Are you angry with me?
Why will I be angry with you? Do I know you? Do I have any business with you? Talk what you want to talk and go, please, because don't disturb me. I have my own problems. They want to collect my shop.
Oh, no vessel. I'm here for you to make a PG bank for me.
PG bank. Yeah. Weba! If you don't know how to save money, go and put the money inside the river. I want to make PG bank. You are part of my problem in this village. Instead of you to bring big contract where I'm going to build furniture for hotel or chair for big houses, you are here telling me about piggy bank. Weba, Biko. That's not my problem. I don't have time for small contracts. Weba.
Do your best now, then that one will come.
Azoka! Hey! Azoka! By the time I am through with you, you will come begging me to have the Iroko tree. Can you imagine? A young girl that bends down to urinate is telling me that I will not collect the Iroko tree. Yeah. Dragging Iroko tree with me. Me, Ubochi.
Papa, how was the meeting? What did you elders discuss?
Where's your brother?
He left the house a few minutes ago. I don't know where he went to. The land, the Iroko tree, the elders, what was the conclusion?
Oh, Uju. Can you imagine that crazy idiot called Azoka told me to my face she will give me 3,000 naira.
3,000 naira? Nagini Nemesi.
I told her there and there that I will collect 3 million naira from her, equivalent to 3,000 naira 9 years ago.
Papa, 3 million naira? Where on earth do you want Azoka to get that kind of money from? 3 million naira? See, Papa, if you sell everybody in their house and sell everybody in our house included, it will not make up to that 3 million naira. We are not worth up to 3 million naira now. 3 million naira is too much.
Papa, think. I asked her to bring the 3 million naira because I know she cannot afford it. So she will not allow me to have the Iroko tree.
Do you think she will agree? 3 million naira? It's too much.
Hey. She will bring it or she forfeit the Iroko tree.
Well, Papa, I just prepared your food. Let me go and dish it out.
No. The food can wait. I don't have appetite for food. I want to think on how to handle Azoka. Take these things.
You don't want to enter inside now?
No. I want to think.
Ngozi, why is your face like this?
Is it not Azoka? I went to that her local shop for her to do PG bank for me, and she insulted me because I went to her shop.
Really? Well, I don't blame her. I blame you people that patronize her. Who does she think she is? A human carpenter, local one for that matter. It is you people now.
I wonder. It's someone that wants to help her life and career, and she insulted me. No problem. She will see something in this village. Me.
Don't let it pain you that much. If she can insult the elders, who are you that she would not insult? Just forgive her. Oh?
That is a problem.
Forgive her, no.
That is a problem. Because she has lost that money. I will not go close to her shop again. She will see.
Nobody fits hold am. Anyhow you want them. She did. If trouble, she go double am. Today, when you see the trouble, make you no run.
Mommy!
You want to just enjoy me? I'm tired.
Mommy, how was work today?
Work was fine.
Mommy, now let us gist.
Yeah. You are who is gisting. This is happy. Irene, you're back from school?
Yes, this afternoon.
How is studies?
Fine, but it's stressful. But it's part of the studies.
I know.
How are you doing, sister?
Yeah, I'm fine, just stressed. You can see me. Hey, young man. I heard your scores today. Yes, you beat her real good.
I beat her mercilessly. I even gave her something to eat. Crying.
I don't know. You are like me. You are fearless. Yes, you are fearless people. You're not afraid of anybody. You really respect them. Yes, I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. Madam.
Mommy, I took after you. And you took after Mama.
Bam!
We are strong people.
We are strong people. Gayum! Everybody Gayum! Oh my God, yeah! I am tired because Gayum!
How's your journey? I've missed you too.
Same here.
Oh. You're welcome.
What about your dad?
Your daddy is in his room. He's dressing up for a village meeting.
Okay.
Like, don't worry about that. There is food. Oh, you're looking good.
Of course, that was supposed to be.
Obiama! Obiama!
You are going out?
Yes, I am going out. Yes. What is it?
Hey, go. Money.
Wait first. Obioma.
Nine.
Where have you formed this childish habit of stopping me each time I'm going out? Were we not together in the house all along?
Childish habit, what?
Yes.
So what is wrong with that? Stopping you to give me money is now the childish habit of where?
What about the money your daughter gave you? I saw her give you money in the room.
You're right. It is true, you saw her. But you see, that money she gave me is for something else. Wham! So give me money, Biko.
What about the whole money I donated to you overnight?
You donated? Forget. Nah, Biko, I'm not out for that your joke. Give me money. Give me money, Biko. Who's the money?
Just hold on. When I come back, I will give you 10 times more than what you are asking.
Nani, wait! You've not gone, you're talking about coming back. You will not go now until you give me money.
Okay. See, go inside the room. Under the bed. Yeah, you know that big box?
Yes. Yes.
There's another box inside that big box. Okay. Inside the big box, there's another box. Okay. Inside that one, there's another one. Okay. Pick the axe. Okay. Break that one. There's so much money inside. Just take all. Hey,
Nai, come here. You know you are the man.
Yes.
And you have power to break the box. So why not come and break the box and give me the money yourself?
Whoever should spend much money should be able to have some power. I know you can break it.
In a case like this, now you need to break it yourself. Let's not drag over it now. What are we dragging for? Understand it is very simple. Give me money.
My face
this is your responsibility as a man.
My face is changing.
Your face will change. My own too will change.
No.
Okay,
let us change the face.
Change.
Oh yeah? Let's go.
No, I am not cut out for that your joke. You are not moving an inch. Nine. Okay, Nene. Come and give me money.
Why are you doing this to me? Let me go to where I'm going.
It is your duty to give me money.
Hey! Are you serious? Linda, I have never been scared in my life like this. Honestly, I won't make this kind of mistake again. Hey! Nni, I have told you to stop all this your love nonsense. This thing where we dey in a street, and anyone who is on the street has to be smart. This your love nonsense, that bad business. This thing where we dey na strictly business, no love at all. That is the rule. You're right. I have learnt my lesson. The hard way though. That stupid doctor asked me to have sex with him before he could carry abortion on me. What do you do? I give him now. I for carry belle they walk up and down. My sister Zuka already has a child outside wedlock. Na cause. Anyway, the good thing is that there is nothing in there again. Abi? So, you just have to coordinate yourself. Coordinate yourself. Forget about this love of a thing. Anyway, there is Wakao for Government House next week. Oh, I am there live. Another doctor. Pick him now. Pick him. Go collect back your money.
Nonso.
Shakara, what? See, you are doing anyhow. I say, let me free you. I don't need to force myself on you.
Why would you say a thing like that now? Okay, if I made you feel that way, I'm sorry. I love you.
And I love you too. Don't forget to send me that recharge card. Though.
I will send
Once you get home now, you send it as soon as possible.
No problem.
Baby.
Once you get home now, send it to me. Sharp.
So, Dad, I hope you are enjoying your stay in this village.
Oh yes, I am. Home is good. There's no place like home. You see, I thank God I am retiring as a successful businessman.
You are a successful businessman by all standards, Dad.
Afam, I'm handing over the baton to you. You continue from where I stopped. I have no doubt you surpass my achievements.
Dad, the shoe is way too big for me to fit in. But I'm assuring you that I'll keep the family business running. I must make sure that everything is quite put in place. At the same time, I want to say a very big thank you for giving me the opportunity to, get into the family business. And then today, a lot is happening.
It's because you are a hard-working, a trusted son of Chief Akubiru.
Well, I learned it from you.
Then you're a good student.
When you see the trouble, make you no run. Azokado, very hot, big wahala. When you see her grace, you will never be the same.
Where do you think you're going to class, monitor?
Obiago, please let me go. I don't want any of your troubles.
Ta! Shut up your mouth. Oh, you know that I even have trouble. And you still have the guts to write my name in the list of noisemakers. Not even one time, 5 times. 5.
Obiago, please let me go. I want to go.
Obiago, please let me go. I want to go home. Well, too late for you. Wait, what are you doing that eye for? Now, get on your new.
Obiago, please, no.
Get on your new. My leg, Obiago, please. Obiago, please. Hey! Obiago, leave me alone. Leave me alone.
So it's because of her. It's because of her that you've been acting anyhow recently, eh? So it's because of her.
What is it? Listen to me. It's obvious that this relationship will not work again. So I don't want to disturb you, please.
Why?
Let me go.
Why? Why won't it work? Eh? Is there anything you have asked me and I did not give it to you? Or is it because I love you?
You don't know why I'm laughing. You don't know why I'm laughing. Look at you. Common, ordinary 20,000 nkete. Just for you to give me. Let me add it to the one I have to buy new phone. Did you give it to me?
But I asked you to give me a little time, eh? I asked you to give me a little time and I'll get the money for you. Is that why you are falling at that?
Don't bother again. Don't bother again. Because I don't see anything that is bad in that you're friends with somebody, but you cannot give that person common 20,000. Don't bother again. Somebody else will do it. So no need. Let me
come. I bought something for you.
What is it?
Check yourself. Check yourself. 6. Stop doing check
it. IJ baby lipstick. You see, it's not that I don't love you, just that sometimes you'll be doing me and you're making me to be angry.
No, I'm sorry. If I'm making you to be angry, I will not do it again. And you know I love you very much.
I love you too. I love you very well.
Stop following her down. I don't want to see her any close.
She's a foolish girl. Me. I just carry her and say, go back to your parents' house. Don't come near to me again.
I know what you can do. Don't see her. Don't see her again.
I will not try it. Let's go. Let's go to my house.
Azuka! What is wrong with you, sir? What is wrong with you? Why can't you obey simple instruction? You've been told that I should stay away from this workshop. That I should stay away until they determine that I'm the owner of this place. And here you are disobeying everybody. I'm talking to you, you are not answering, eh?
Uncle, I do not want any problems. I do not want any problems. Which family? I should leave my father's workshop for you. My inheritance. I cannot do that. I cannot.
Is that what you are saying? Yes. They will find you. They will find you.
Uncle, go and do your worst. Stop threatening me because all these threats will not work. I will not leave my father's shop for you to come and inherit.
Okay. I know what I will do. Wait for me.
Okay.
I know what I will do.
Okay. I'm here in the shop. I'm still cutting the wood.
My father's workshop.
Very hard to big wahala. When you see her grace, you will never be the same. You go sit on up, you go run.
Mama, I've been looking for you. Mama, did Papa tell you where he was going to?
Yeah. Does your father ever tell anyone where he's going to? No, what? Besides, why do you ask?
I want to ask him money for my jam. Uju told me that the closing time is next week.
Next week? And you're just saying it now? You're not serious. Hi! Kiru. Look at your elder sister Linda. Working real hard in her studies. Very soon she will graduate and become rich. And you're here. Don't want to work hard.
It's not my fault. Mama, it's not my fault. Last year I passed. You and Papa asked me to wait till this year because there was no money. Now, you're saying I'm not serious.
You're not serious. If you don't want to go to school, it's your business. You will stay in this village and sell akara. One. Look at Azoka, Gloria's daughter. She was sent to school to study and she came back with pregnancy. She's now a village carpenter.
God forbid.
God forbid. Then be like your elder sister. Kivu, don't you see the way Linda looks and dresses? In Africa, even the mother of
Mama, me and Kiru, I can never end up like Azoka.
Then what you're supposed to do? Be serious with your studies. Oh, thank God your sister is back. Can't collect the bag from her.
Auntie!
You're not so.
Ewo!
No! bless you, my daughter. Oh? Mama, but let me give you. Respect yourself. No. Hey, this is the kind of work. This is it.
Azuka, how are you doing?
Ichi, I'm not happy at all. I'm not happy.
I know. That is why I came. You have to be strong. I want to be alive and watch them take what rightfully belongs to you.
Chi, can you imagine? Uncle Onu wants to collect my workshop. My own father's workshop. He came here threatening and shouting. He wants to collect my workshop.
What is he talking about? He's a liar. Don't mind him. You can't do that.
I'm tired. Because my father does not have a son. That is why I'm training my son to be educated. Because he will deal with them. They want to collect my workshop. My inheritance.
And why will you say a thing like that? In fact, I am going to his house now. I'm going to see him.
I'm following you. I'm following you.
Right away.
Okay, please wait for me. I'm following you.
Very hot, biggie wahala. When you see her grace, you will never be the same. You go sit on up, you go run.
John, I greet you. Yes. I'm not talking to you.
Chi, what are you counting?
Oh, I'm counting cows.
Ichie.
You can see that I'm my herdsman.
Talk to your fellow Ichie.
Ichie Onu, I said I am talking to you.
I am. What do you want from me? Am I on you? Why are you harassing me?
Ichie Onu, an elder who denies the knowledge of ground digging is a corny elder. Why will you go around telling Azuka the workshop belongs to the family? Why?
Chere, are you a member of our family? What gave you the impetus, the audacity to come and be questioning me? Are you a member of our family?
Ichie Onu, I might not be a member of a family, but I knew how you people shared the property. Azuka's father, was my very good friend. Do you want her to become useless? If she's not hardworking, you will say she's not hardworking. Now she's hardworking, you want to frustrate her. Or do you want her to go about sleeping around with men? Is that what you want?
Ichie, tell him.
Tell me, is that what you want?
Tell them. Tell them. Because he will not listen. Tell him.
Yes. Is that what you want? Is that what you want her to become?
Ichie, tell them. Help me ask them.
Wait.
But no problem. If I see your leg in my shop again, if I see your leg in my shop again, with this your half-inch neck, you will see. Ichie, no free bench for you. You don't have to pay. Free bench for you, no matter what anybody says. One free bench for you.
Oh no, Azuka, you don't have to bother
I'm
yourself.
going.
Oh Azuka, you don't have to bother yourself. It's okay. Let the truth be told. You just heard what she said.
I've heard your bench, have you? Your bench. You should be ashamed of yourself. Just because they promised you bench. That is why you are poke-nosing in other people's affairs. You've done your worst, oh. You've done your worst.
Ichie Onu, I've warned you. I have warned you.
Get out from here!
Be careful. I won't talk to you again. Be careful.
Bench! Hey! Hey, I pity you.
I warn you.
Because of bench.
I said I warn you.
What? I can't hear you properly. Okay. Yes, I can. Today? No, it can't be possible. I'm not even in town. I'm in the village as we speak. No, it wasn't planned. I actually got a call from my mom that she's sick. I had to rush to the hospital. So I had to leave immediately to the village. Irene, I will talk to you. The doctor is there.
Who is doctor? Who is sick? Irene, I hope you're not living a fake lifestyle.
No, Mama, it's my boss.
Boss, what?
Yes, ma'am.
Boss, where? You have boss in the school?
Mama, you don't know? Okay, now that you've asked, let me explain it to you. I got a part-time job in school that will help me take care of all my expenses. since Papa is late, I don't want to bother you and Azoka so much. So that's why.
You know, I'm beginning to wonder. And I wanted to ask you, where you get all those money that you use in buying all the things you buy as a student?
Mama, where else? It's from my job.
Yeah.
Where else do you think I get the money to buy all these dresses, all my books, shoes? It's from my job.
Name. God will bless you. Oh.
Amen.
You will surely reap the fruit of your labor.
Amen.
Hmm?
Amen.
Yeah. Take.
Hey, Mama, what are you holding?
It's food for your sister. Take it to your sister in the shop.
Oh, okay.
Be careful.
Tom, you are here, and I was waiting for you inside the house.
There's no need of waiting for me. You have to start going.
Baby, eh? But I told you not to worry. I will make the money available for you, eh?
Then give it to me. If you like, you bring it. If you like, don't bring it. I have told you, there are a lot of girls, plenty of girls out there in the village, waiting for me, even begging me, bringing gifts up and down for me to be their boyfriend. But I chose you. You can't mess me. If you waste time, I will divert. I will divert.
Worry, eh? Are you not my person? My baby. Nobody will choose you. I will not even give you the space
don't go that
to
side
choose
again.
anybody. Eh? I was even thinking we'll do one more round.
Don't go that.
You know you are very sweet.
Don't go that side. I have to start going before my father is coming.
Shame on you. Shame on you. Nonso. Mpi. He good. That is who you are. Instead of you to think on how we can get back that Irokotri from that stubborn girl called Azoka, you are here jumping from one girl to the other. Look, if we get back that tree, we will sell it to chief. Then you will take the proceeds to Lagos and start up a business. But instead, you are here jumping from one girl to the other, one girl to the other, one girl to the other. Sometimes I begin to think, if truly you are my son, you don't even have any resemblance with me.
Papa, is it my fault? How is it my fault in this case now? How is it my fault? Afo came and make Afo. A man cannot just chip your just stay like that. Am I a woman? One must do somehow.
No, so for your information, Abasioso Agwomai. This you're jumping from one girl to the other. We will see.
Coconut head. Okay. If you discover me, I will buy you back. You are my father. You must be your son, whether you like it or not. Which other father I have? You must be my father. There's no going back. Me and you will die together as papa and son.
The next time you touch her or any other student in this school complains about you, this will be small compared to what I will do to you. Yes. Carry your bag and go home, naughty boy. Chidera, he won't bother you again. He has gotten what he deserves. Oh.
Okay, ma. Thank you, ma. That is good for him. He deserves it. Next time he try it again.
As una dey see, my eyes dey see you now. I go catch una one after the other. For the stupid teacher, ugly teacher. You go hear from my mama.
Don't worry, I'll make up to you.
I will make up.
When are you bringing my future daughter?
Mom, when the right time comes, I will do that. Not yet time.
The right time. It's okay.
Afam, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Let's go then.
Enjoyment. Enjoyment what? I'm in my workshop. Work, chop, work, chop. It's now that you're bringing food. Do I know people decided not to cook again? Inherit it, because. Yeah. Hi, Mama. Did I know?
Good afternoon, Mom. Good afternoon, Auntie Irene.
Yeah? Why is your face like this? Why are you crying?
Did you know that our useless class teacher, he flogged me in the school field?
Makagini, why? Where? Why?
Why not tell us what you did first? You won't say.
Yeah. What did you do?
You see, if I come tomorrow, she will flog me.
Do you know his house?
Yes, I know her house.
Oh, yeah. He's a woman. Come and show me your house. Azuka, your shop. My shop. Stay with the shop, Nadia.
Hey! Shiva Kubilo!
Go dancing.
Good to see you.
Good to see you too.
I was told you came back from the city and I decided to come to your house to see you.
Oh, yes. Odensi, you are one of the few men in this town I rely so much on.
Oh, Chief, you don't have problem at all.
Yes.
We'll be friends from childhood.
Good.
It looks as if you are going somewhere.
Yes, I want to see the owner. We have a meeting, so I want to see him so that we can try things out.
Okay.
Yes.
That's good. That's good.
That reminds me, what about those people that are agitating for autonomous community?
Oh, well, as you know, it has been a ding-dong affair. So up till now, we've not really gotten forward.
I don't think
Help me, please. Hey, you dancing, please. Hey. You dancing. Hey.
Forget that that thing where you define you go see
Here, is that ill-mannered person knocking like this on my door? Madam. Obiagu, what is it?
Hey, Obiagu, what is it? Are you not the one that flogged my son? Flogged him and gave him scars all over his body. Are you not the one?
Madam, I'm the one, but your son behaved in an unruly manner.
Madam, have you seen the marks you put all over his body? Are you his mother?
No.
So why did you flog him like this?
Madam, he behaved in an unruly manner. Ask him what he did.
Hey. My son is a well-behaved boy. He will never behave in an unruly manner. How can you flog him like that and give him marks all over his body? Have you seen his back? Have you seen this boy's back? Have you seen it? So you now flogged him and gave him marks all over his body?
No. Did I beat you very well? Madam, it's just small.
Mother. Are you his mother? Auntie, are you his mother?
Madam.
I'm asking you, are you his mother?
Calm down, please. Please, calm down. Just wait. Let me explain.
Explain.
Let me explain. Your son behaved in an unruly manner in school.
Apologize to me.
Madam, I'm his teacher.
Apologize to the boy.
Obiagu, sorry. Oh, I will not touch you again. I will not touch you. Don't worry.
You mean you will not tell anybody?
Oh, I will not tell anybody. I will not touch you.
Are you forgiving her?
No.
Be safe here, stable.
Madam.
Apologize to him properly.
Obiagu, I say I'm sorry. Sorry.
Apologize to him again. Because if I come here.
Madam, you will not come here again because I will not touch him. You will not come here again. I will not touch him.
It's okay. Let's go.
Oh, Madam, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I think you know that's painful.
Yes.
In fact, second.
No, no problem. Okay. Hey, those assignments, please help me out. You know I did yours the other day for you. All right, thank you.
This your phone is beautiful. It must be expensive.
Very expensive. 380,000 naira.
It's again 380,000 naira. For one phone.
Hey. Hey. Mama, see, you need to come to Enugu. Some students' phones are more expensive than this. Give me here. What is this? Is this one your phone?
It's you. Hey. One. Where do they get such money? Does government pay them allowance or what?
Yes, Mama, but only to the indigents. And you know, Enugu has so many big hotels, companies and offices.
Yes, I know.
And some of us, we do part-time jobs.
Really?
Yes. I work in one of those big hotels in Enugu, but only on night shifts. And because I am a hard-working staff, customers tend to dash me money, so I don't even get to touch my salary.
Hey! Like mother, like daughter. You took after me. Hey! Oh, I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
No wonder you're always looking sharp. In an on point steady. Everything I wear now falls in pleasant places. Where is Nkiruka? Nkiruka!
What is it, Mama?
Where is she?
What is it?
Nkiru must write her jam and gain admission to the university. No. You need to put her through when the right time comes. Very important.
It's okay.
She needs to be like you. So that when the time comes, you put her through.
True, Mama. Hey, Mama, my course rep,
Zafa.
Sing it. Anybody that looks for your trouble in this village will have me to contend with. Sing it.
I'm happy that my mom is a strong
Auntie Azuka, so you're really the one pushing this boy to look for trouble in this village?
Yeah? Are you talking to me?
Yes, I just did. What will you do? What will you do?
Are you talking to my mom like that? Mommy, leave her, let me beat her.
This small one, I will just kick you. You don't know your mother again.
Are you talking to me like that?
Who will you kick? To me now.
Who will you kick? Who will you kick?
No.
Who will you kick?
Hey, sorry. I was just.
Who will you kick?
I was just passing. It's not him. T. Myself.
Who will you kick?
His twin brother.
Who will you kick?
Not him. His twin brother. How will I kick him? Am I mad?
Yeah. Hey. Anybody that contends with you,
nobody,
is looking for me.
At all.
Say this on the line. Hello, honey.
What? Honey, wait. Are you okay? Where is Afam?
Honey, Jesus. Which hospital? I am coming there now. Oh my God. Okay. Oh my God.
Mommy, what is it? Is Daddy and Afam okay? What is it?
Your father was attacked by hired assassins a few minutes ago.
Are they fine? Who's in the hospital there? Who's in the hospital?
Your dad and Afam are fine, but the man with them is injured. His condition is really bad according to your dad.
Mommy, please, let's go to the hospital. I'm no more comfortable here.
No. Your dad said we should calm down, that he will soon be here. They are still looking for hospital to take the injured man to. Don't worry.
Why did you keep me waiting? Eh?
What are you doing here? Oh, you think I don't know that you followed the Joma home after seeing me off, right?
So you kept me here waiting for you to come out now to show me that you're angry, Abby?
Yes, I'm angry.
Mrs. Angry, well done.
Oh no. Somebody cannot play with you again. This small joke, we are taking it seriously.
Why won't I take it serious?
Yeah, sorry, I'm sorry. I'm sorry now. Obim. I'm sorry now. Aya.
Hey. So have fun now. What of what I asked you? You didn't get it.
I will get it, but calm down now. Let me explain.
Explain what? Why am I even wasting my time with you? When you get it, you come. I beg you.
I will give it to you now. Calm down.
When you bring it, you come. Faster.
Don't you be scared of anybody. But I'm scared of this. Uncle, good morning.
So you will not answer our greetings because of my inheritance that you want to collect from me?
See, I don't have time for two of you. I don't have time for you. Very soon, very soon, the police will settle that case between you and our kinsmen. And that thing that is rightfully mine will crawl to me. No, it will jump to me. You will see.
I am waiting for you and your police, uncle. I will not allow you to take my inheritance from me. Mbanu, you think my father does not have an heir? My son here will take over from my father's wealth. He is my father's heir. That is for those of you who think my father left empty and does not have an heir. He will take over.
If you people think I will not grow, I will grow.
Mejonu, you little rat. Eh? And those are talking, you are talking. Your mother has completely spoiled you. Is this how you will grow? Look, I don't have time for two of you. I'm coming. You will see.
Uncle, you will see. This boy you see here, he will grow.
He will grow.